Hello everyone. I'm very happy to see all of you guys again here, and welcome back to another interesting video. Today, we'll discuss top 4 key skills that will make you a successful data scientist. So if you are ready, let's start today's video. For key skills that will make you a successful data scientist. In today's data-driven world, data scientists have become indispensable assets to organizations across various industries. They play a pivotal role in extracting valuable insights from vast datasets and helping businesses make informed decisions by improving their products and services. To excel in this field and become a successful data scientist, you will need a diverse set of skill sets that go beyond just technical knowledge. In today's video, we will delve into some of the 4 key data scientist skills that can make you a successful data scientist. 1. Strong statistical and mathematical background. At the heart of data science lies mathematics and statistics. A strong foundation in these disciplines is crucial for a data scientist to analyze data, build models, and draw meaningful conclusions. Here are some key areas within statistics and mathematics that every data scientist should be proficient in. A. Probability theory. Understanding probability is essential for making predictions and dealing with uncertainty in data. It forms the basis for many machine learning algorithms, such as naive Bayes and Gaussian processes. B. Linear algebra. Linear algebra is fundamental for tasks like matrix manipulation, dimensionality reduction, and working with neural networks. Concepts like eigenvectors and eigenvalues are essential in understanding complex algorithms. C. Statistical inference. Data scientists should be skilled in hypothesis testing, confidence intervals, and understanding p-values. These techniques are essential for drawing conclusions from data and ensuring statistical significance. Remember, a strong mathematical and statistical background is the key to becoming a successful data scientist. 2. Proficiency in programming and data manipulation. Data scientists need to be adept at writing code to manipulate data, build models, and deploy solutions. Python and R are the most used programming languages in the field. Proficiency in these languages is essential, but the ability to adapt to new programming languages and tools is equally important. Here are some key aspects of programming and data manipulation skills. A. Data cleaning and pre-processing. Raw data is often messy and requires cleaning and pre-processing before analysis. Data scientists should be skilled in data wrangling, handling missing values, and transforming data into a usable format. B. Data visualization. The ability to create compelling data visualizations helps in conveying insights effectively to non-technical stakeholders. Tools like Matplotlib, Seaborn, and ggplot2 are commonly used for data visualization. C. Machine learning libraries. Familiarity with machine learning libraries such as scikit-learn, Python, and caret-R is crucial for building predictive models and performing tasks like classification, regression, and clustering. 3. Business acumen and domain knowledge. Data science is not just about crunching numbers, it's about solving real-world problems and adding value to businesses. To be successful in this field, data scientists must possess business acumen and domain-specific knowledge. Here's why these skills are essential. A. Problem solving. Data scientists should be able to identify relevant business problems, define clear objectives, and develop data-driven solutions. Understanding the context of the problem is crucial for delivering actionable insights. B. Domain expertise. Having domain-specific knowledge in areas like finance, healthcare, marketing, or e-commerce can give data scientists a significant advantage. It enables them to ask the right questions, identify relevant data sources, and understand the implications of their findings. C. Ethical considerations. Data scientists must be aware of ethical considerations surrounding data, including privacy, bias, and fairness. Understanding the ethical implications of their work is essential to ensure responsible data usage. 4. Continuous learning and adaptability. The field of data science is constantly evolving. New techniques, algorithms, and tools emerge regularly, and successful data scientists must be committed to continuous learning and adaptability. Here's why these skills are crucial. A. Stay updated. Data scientists should keep up with the latest trends, research papers, and best practices in the field. This involves reading relevant literature, attending conferences, and participating in online communities. B. Experimentation. Being open to experimentation and trying out new approaches is essential for innovation in data science. Not every problem has a one-size-fits-all solution, and data scientists should be willing to explore different techniques. C. Adapt to tools and technologies. As new tools and technologies emerge, data scientists should be willing to adapt and incorporate them into their workflow. This adaptability ensures that they can leverage the best available resources for their projects. That's all for this video, and if you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos, please let us know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, give it a thumbs up for more content, and hit that notification bell, so you don't miss any upcoming video. Until next time, keep exploring and keep coding. Thanks for watching, and happy coding.